There is a city unlike any other. A place where the skyline tells a story of innovation and tradition, where every building has a tale to tell. It captivates the soul with its beauty and leaves you breathless with wonder. As the sun sets, the city transforms into a canvas of colors, painting the sky with hues that inspire dreams. This is a city where ancient history meets modern marvels, where the past and the present coexist in perfect harmony. Walk through its streets and you'll find centuries-old monuments standing proudly beside sleek modern skyscrapers. Here, nature's embrace softens the edges of urban life. Parks and green spaces offer a serene escape from the hustle and bustle, providing a sanctuary for both residents and visitors alike. Come, journey with me, and discover the magic of this extraordinary place. Wander through inviting pathways that lead to hidden gems and iconic landmarks, each corner of the city revealing a new story. The air hums with a vibrant energy. The streets are alive with the rhythm of life, from the bustling markets to the lively cafes where people gather to share moments and create memories. The streets are alive with the laughter of children and the chatter of friends. Every corner of the city is filled with the sounds of joy and camaraderie, a testament to the community spirit that thrives here. This city welcomes you with open arms, inviting you to explore its every nook and cranny. From the charming streets lined with quaint shops to the grand boulevards that showcase its splendor, there is always something new to discover. Let us begin, shall we? Embark on this journey and let the city reveal its secrets to you. Whether you're a first-time visitor or a seasoned traveler, this city promises an experience like no other, one that will stay with you long after you've left its embrace. In the heart of this magnificent city lies a green oasis, a sanctuary where urban life and nature coexist in perfect harmony. A sprawling park, a sanctuary of peace and tranquility, offering a respite from the daily grind. Here, amidst the hustle and bustle, you can find a moment of calm. Trees stand tall, their leaves rustling in the gentle breeze, creating a soothing symphony that whispers secrets of the natural world. These giants of nature provide shade and shelter, a testament to the enduring beauty of the environment. Flowers bloom in a riot of colors, their fragrance carried on the wind. Each petal, a brushstroke in nature's masterpiece, adds to the vibrant tapestry of the park. The gardens are a feast for the senses, inviting visitors to pause and appreciate the delicate beauty around them. The air is fresh and invigorating, a welcome change from the city's usual hustle. Breathing deeply, you can feel the stress melt away, replaced by a sense of renewal and vitality. The clear blue sky above serves as a reminder of the vastness and wonder of the natural world. The sound of birdsong fills the air, a melody that soothes the soul. Each note, a reminder of the simple joys in life, creates a harmonious backdrop to the park's serene atmosphere. Birds perched on tree branches add to the park's charm, their songs a testament to the thriving ecosystem. Walk along the winding paths and you might stumble upon a hidden waterfall, its cascading waters a symphony of nature's music. The sight and sound of the waterfall provide a moment of pure magic, a hidden gem waiting to be discovered by those who take the time to explore. This is a place to escape the hustle and bustle, to reconnect with nature's embrace. Whether you're meditating, reading, or simply sitting on a bench, the park offers a sanctuary for reflection and relaxation. It's a reminder that even in the midst of a busy city, nature's beauty and tranquility are never far away. Step back in time as you wander through the city's oldest quarters. Ancient temples stand as testaments to a rich and glorious past. Their intricate carvings whisper tales of emperors and empires, of gods and goddesses. Modern skyscrapers rise high into the sky, their glass facades reflecting the azure heavens. They stand as symbols of the city's progress, its unwavering spirit, and its boundless ambition. This is a city where the past and the present coexist in perfect harmony. The heart of the city beats to the rhythm of its people. In bustling markets, vendors hawk their wares, their voices a chorus of commerce. The aroma of spices fills the air, a sensory delight. The streets are a kaleidoscope of colors, a vibrant tapestry of life. People from all walks of life come together, their stories intertwining like threads in a grand tapestry. This is a city that embraces diversity, where every voice is heard and every story is celebrated. Section 5. Treasures off the beaten path. Venture beyond the well-trodden tourist trails and you'll discover hidden gems. Quaint cafes tucked away in narrow alleys, their walls adorned with local art. Small family-run restaurants serving up authentic cuisine, bursting with flavor. Explore the city's back streets, and you'll find yourself immersed in its authentic charm. This is where you'll experience the true spirit of the city, away from the crowds, where life unfolds at its own leisurely pace. Section 6. A symphony of flavors. Prepare your taste buds for an explosion of flavors. The city's cuisine is a melting pot of cultures, a tantalizing blend of spices and aromas. From street food vendors to Michelin-starred restaurants, there's something to satisfy every palate. Savor the taste of freshly baked bread, still warm from the oven. Indulge in steaming bowls of noodles, their broth rich and flavorful. And don't forget to try the local delicacies, each bite a culinary adventure. Section 7. A city that stays with you. As the sun begins its descent, casting a warm glow over the city, you'll realize that this is no ordinary place. It's a city that stays with you long after you've left its embrace. The memories you've made, the people you've met, the experiences you've had, they'll forever be etched in your heart. This is a city that has a way of working its magic on you, leaving you forever changed. Section 8. The embrace of the city. From the moment you arrive, you'll feel a sense of belonging. The city welcomes you with open arms, making you feel like you're home. The locals are warm and friendly, always willing to lend a helping hand. Whether you're lost in the labyrinthine streets or simply want to strike up a conversation, you'll find the people here to be incredibly welcoming. It's this warmth and hospitality that truly sets this city apart. Section 9. A tapestry of cultures. The city is a melting pot of cultures, a place where traditions from all over the world converge. Walk down any street and you'll hear a symphony of languages, a testament to the city's diversity. Experience the vibrant colors of a traditional dance performance. Listen to the soulful melodies of local musicians. Immerse yourself in the city's cultural tapestry and you'll discover a world of beauty and wonder. Section 10. The city that never sleeps. As night falls, the city comes alive with a different kind of energy. The transition from day to night is almost seamless, yet the atmosphere shifts dramatically. The streets are aglow with neon lights, casting a colorful glow that dances on the pavement. These lights guide the way for night owls and adventurers alike. The sound of music spills out from bars and clubs, creating a symphony of melodies that blend into the night air. Each venue offers a unique rhythm, from jazz to rock, catering to every musical taste. This is a city that never sleeps, where the hustle and bustle continue long after the sun is set. The streets are filled with people, each with their own story and destination. A place where the night is as vibrant as the day. Street performers captivate passers-by with their talents, while late-night cafes offer a cozy retreat for those seeking a quieter experience. Whether you're looking for a night of dancing, where the beats are infectious and the energy is palpable, a quiet drink with friends, sharing stories and laughter in a more intimate setting, or simply want to soak up the electric atmosphere, wandering through neon-lit streets and bustling night markets, the city has something to offer everyone. From rooftop bars with stunning views to underground clubs with secret entrances, the options are endless. So come, experience the magic of the city that never sleeps. Let the night guide you through its myriad of experiences, each more enchanting than the last. Whether you're a local or a visitor, the city's nightlife promises an unforgettable adventure. Section 11. Until we meet again. Our journey through this enchanting city comes to an end, but the memories we've made will last a lifetime. The beauty, the culture, the warmth of the people, it's an experience that will stay with us forever. So, until we meet again, beautiful city, we bid you farewell. May your streets forever be filled with laughter, your heart with joy, and your spirit with the indomitable will to shine bright.